McDonough, Georgia. I got a call, Lowe, we down to 4 lots. So I'm bringing you the 4 lots that this builder is offering at this season. It has a $30,000 incentive. You heard me, $30K to go towards what you like. Closing costs, prepaids, buy down the rate, you name it, we can get creative and use that $30K to benefit you. Now, how cool is that? So what they have 3 homes called the Rainer Plan. Remember that name for you lovers of masters on the main. The Rainer Plan is the master on the main, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a media room and a loft. Very cool floor plan. So remember, it's 3 of those, lots 21. I'm in front of lot 24. Then we have lot 45. All 3 of those are Rainer. So when you call me, say, hey D, I like lot 21, 24, or 45. Then lot 27, I'm gonna show you, that's a McKinley plan. That's the 5 bedroom, 4 full bath. It has a loft, but the master is on the 2nd level. Let's take a peek. How was your tour? Did you see the 3 Rainer plans? That's the one with the master on the main, loft and media room upstairs, and then the McKinley plan. The McKinley plan is the 5 bedroom, 4 full baths. Let me know if you want a tour. Call me now, Lowe, 770-885-3790. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share.